Ryan, sunny out there. Great for crews still working to restore some power in places.
Definitely. We're going to have the sunshine through the weekend and overall a little break from what we've had for the last couple of weeks.
Just chilly.
Yes, exactly. But this is the time of the year where I feel like the wind really matters, and we won't have much wind this weekend.
Good.
So even though the temperatures will be low, not too much of a wind chill. If you're thinking of getting outside this weekend, doing some skiing, we'll get into the low and mid 20s up in the mountains tomorrow. Sunday morning will be cold. Some of the mountains will start out near 0, but in the afternoon we'll recover into the upper 20s, and there will be very little wind, especially on Sunday. Right now 26 in Portland and Bangor, but we're in the teens in the mountains and up north. There is a little bit of a breeze, but it's mainly under 10 miles per hour. So a slight wind chill tonight, but nothing that really is anything we're not used to at this point in December. A few clouds out there today, and there were a couple of flurries that tried to make it into the mountains, but downwind of the mountains, plenty of sunshine. And this area of high pressure will be on top of us through the weekend, so the weather will be nice and quiet. If you're stepping out tonight, it will be chilly. We'll be down into the low and mid 20s by 8 o'clock and teens in the mountains by that point. A mostly clear sky tonight, and by tomorrow morning we'll be starting with some temperatures in the single numbers in the colder valleys of western and northern Maine. 10 the low in Bangor, 15 in Portland, and 19 the low tonight in Bar Harbor. Sunshine basically from start to finish tomorrow. It'll be a very similar day to today. Temperatures just about the same as we get close to 32 in Portland, 30 in Rockland, 28 in Bangor, and 18 in Greenville coming up tomorrow. Now tomorrow night will be the coldest night of the stretch, but again, it doesn't really come with much wind. We'll likely have some temperatures below 0 Sunday morning in the mountains and teens most other places, but we may dip into the single digits even in Lewiston for a brief time Sunday morning. Sun will mix with some high clouds on Sunday, but a pleasant day with temperatures for most of us getting back up into the upper 20s to around 30. So high pressure keeps us in good shape through the weekend. Then as this high drifts away, some milder air tries to come back in early next week. Monday is looking mainly dry, but if this warm front speeds up, there could be a few mixed snow and rain showers that come in Monday night. But once we get into the warm air, it will be rain showers we're dealing with on Tuesday. Temperatures will be in the 40s. Most of these showers come through during the first half of the day, maybe a few left over in the afternoon, but we should turn drier Tuesday afternoon. Wednesday looks dry, and then the biggest question in the forecast is what will this system coming out of the southeast do Thursday into Friday? Will it stay flat and go out to sea, not really bring us anything, or will it come up the coast and energize a little bit, bringing us a chance for some snow or rain? The time frame on that is later Thursday into Friday. Still a lot of uncertainty this far out, but that would be the next system you really have to pay attention to. The Monday night to Tuesday one is relatively minor. Tomorrow on the water, seas will be running 2 to 4 feet with a northwest wind 10 to 15 knots, gusting up to 25. So a bright weekend, but it is chilly. As I mentioned, though, the nice thing, there isn't much wind, so the wind chill not too much of a factor. Clouds increase on Monday. There could be a few mixed rain and snow showers Monday night, but it looks like mainly rain showers on Tuesday, and we could pop up to 50 degrees actually on the coast on Tuesday. Dry for Wednesday, and then we're still watching the Thursday, Friday time frame. As I talked about yesterday, we're at the time of the year where there can be a huge spread 7 days out, and that's where we still are today.
Right, so we'll just keep track.
Keep an eye on it, but for now we've got a good weekend.
Great. Thank you, Ryan.
You're welcome.